Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use Sezzle Virtual Card in a store. So in order to do this, first of all launch the Sezzle application on your smartphone and log in with your account credentials. Make sure your account is verified and has available balance for the purchase, or you can also pay in full. Now, inside the app, go to Cards or Virtual Card. So in the app, click on Sezzle Virtual Card at the top, or you can click on the virtual card at the bottom right. Now, you'll be on this page where you will see your virtual card number, expiration date, and CVV, all you need for in-store payments. So, here what you're going to do is click on Make a Purchase Request. Now, click on Request Amount and enter the amount that you are going to spend. Click on Continue. Now, read the loan terms and continue if agreed. Click on this button and click on Complete. Now, it will show you have this much amount to spend on your next purchase. So, click on Continue and you can easily use that amount using your virtual card. So most stores accept contactless payments via Apple Pay, Google Wallet if your virtual card is linked, or you can enter the card details manually at payment terminal. Now, for contactless, tap your phone on the card reader and it will instantly do it. Now for manual entry, type the card number, expiration date and CVV exactly as shown in the app. Confirm the payment and ensure that it goes through. The amount will be split according to Sezzle's schedule, so you'll only pay part of it upfront with the rest in installments. After payment, check your app to see the updated balance and upcoming installment schedule. This ensures you stay on the track with payment. And that's it. Using a Sezzle virtual card in a store is quick and secure and helps you manage payments without carrying multiple cards. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.